Now we shall consider the problem of adjoint. Now see some properties of the adjoint first. A into adjoint A is equal to mod A into I. 2. If A is a square matrix of order n greater than or equal to 2, then mod of adjoint A is equal to mod A raised to n minus 1. Then adjoint into adjoint A is equal to mod A raised to n minus 2 into A, and mod of adjoint into adjoint A is equal to mod A raised to n minus 1 bracket square. So be careful about it. First of all, go through that. These are the important property of the adjoint. Now observe the example here. If A is a non-singular square matrix of order 3 then mod of adjoint A cube is equal to A choice mod A raised to 6, B choice mod A raised to 8, C choice mod A raised to 9, D choice mod A raised to 12. Observe here which property we are going to see that. Now first of all you must know this property, that is adjoint AB is equal to adjoint A into adjoint B. Adjoint A into adjoint B. This property you must know it. Now mod of adjoint A cube, adjoint in bracket A cube is equal to mod of adjoint A into adjoint A into adjoint A, that is determinant, and that's equal to mod of adjoint A raised to 3. But what is the adjoint A? Mod A raised to n minus 1. What is the n order of that? That is determinant. So that's equal to mod A is equal to, we get determinant, that is mod A, yes, that raised to mod A raised to, that is A raised to is a raised to n minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, and raised to 3 is equal to mod a raised to 6. A choice is your answer. A choice. Yes, careful about it. It's a very easy example actually. You concentrate on that. If A is equal to, if A is equal to 4 minus 5 2 minus 2, 5 minus 4 2, 2 2 8, then A into adjoint A. A choice 36 minus 36, 18, 36, 36 minus 18, 18 minus 18, 9. B choice minus 36, 36, 18 minus 36, 36 minus 18 minus 18, 18, 9. C choice 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0, and D choice none of these. None of these. Right. Now observe here. What is A into adjoint A? That's equal to mod A into I. This is a property, mod A into I. So, what is a mod A? That is determinant A is equal to the value of determinant of a given matrices. 4 minus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4 2, 2 2 8, that's equal to 4 into bracket minus 32 minus 4 minus of minus plus 5 into bracket 40 minus 4 minus 2 into bracket 10 plus 8 is equal to minus 36, that is minus 144. Minus 32 minus 4 becomes a minus 36, minus 36 into 4, that's your minus 144. 40 minus 4 become a 36, 36 5s plus, right, 36 5s. Just a minute. 180 and 18 minus 36, and that's equal to minus minus 180 plus 180, the value is equal to 0. So mod A is equal to 0, and therefore mod A into I also equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and therefore answer is equal to C choice is your answer. Example, if A is a square matrix if square matrix of order 2 then mod of adjoint A is equal to A choice mod A, that is determinant A, B determinant of a given matrix, so 1 C determinant of a given matrix A square, D none of these, consider mod of, that is determinant of adjoint A, consider what is the value of that mod A raised to n minus 1. What is the degree? 2. That's equal to mod A raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to mod A, and therefore the correct option is A there. A is answer. Next, if
कितना है मतलब 17 का पार्ट है ना 17 है ना आता जे नवीन होईल ते 18 आहे
if A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta and A into adjoint A is equal to lambda into 1001, then lambda is equal to A choice sin theta cos theta, B choice 1, C choice 2, D choice none of these. Consider A into adjoint A. What is the meaning of A into adjoint A? Just now I have given the result for that. That's equal to mod A into I. Find out mod A means determinant of A, determinant of a given matrix A, that's equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to cos square theta minus of minus plus sin square theta is equal to 1, and therefore A into adjoint A is equal to 1 into I means 1001, and therefore lambda comparing given. Since it is given equal to lambda into 1001, comparing lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to 1, B choice is your answer. B choice is the answer. If A is any square matrix, if A is any square matrix, then adjoint into A dash minus in a bracket adjoint A total dash, dash means transpose of a given matrix, and is equal to A choice, determine A, B choice, 2 times determine A, C choice, determine 2A, and D choice, none of these. Now, consider the example adjoint into A dash minus adjoint A total dash. Now, since adjoint A dash is equal to adjoint A total dash, it's a property of that. Therefore, adjoint into A dash minus adjoint A total dash is equal to adjoint A dash minus adjoint A dash is equal to 0. The answer is equal to, there is no answer A, B, C, therefore D choice is the answer, none of these is the answer. So therefore, remember these results of the adjoint, that is adjoint A. Now the last part of the matrices that we are going to observe, that do the multiplication, how to find the adjoint of A, inverse of A, directly multiplication, some values associated with that, and that will be in our next video. Up to this we have completed the part. I had divided the determinant and matrices into 4 different parts. First part total, that is determinant. In the second part, while solving the example based on the matrices, first only system of the equation, second one determinant with the adjoint property, and the last we are going to see that finding the adjoint, minors, cofactors, inverse, etc. Right? So that will be the next video. Okay?